Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good evening. I am Ayla Ansel. How are you friends? Get Launch Pool project hash 301 L town stake USDT or town to claim airdrop 2025 if August UTC 6700. Get Launchpool is set to launch project hash 301 at town. User can stake USDT or town to share 2.727.273 town tokens for free. Airdrops rewards are distributed early. New user view participate in staking will receive a so 100 posted voucher available on a first come first served basis. Airdrop details staking period 26 August 2025 at 12 UTC September 2025 to September at 12 UTC. Total staking reward 2.727.273 town. Thank you so much, my friend. Thanks a lot, dear, joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Unlock method: unlock 100%. Get launch pool allows user to stake in advance. You can stake as assets before final official launch of the project to ensure you start earning reward as soon as user who have choose the have their remained funds automatically transferred into simple and 7 days fixed term product can enjoy extra airdrop rewards to on top of their original staking earning learn more. Thank you so much, my friend. Thanks a lot, dear, joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Thank you so much, my friends. Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot, dear, joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Rewards distribution: the system will distribute token reward to user spot accounts on a yearly basis based on the proportions of assets they have staked. Get launch pool FAQs. Newcomer access staking pool only new user who sign up after 24 August 2025 at UTC year eligible. How to participate: log in the into your get account and complete identity verification. Navigate to launch pool, hold at last zero point 0.1 USDT, one town, click stake. Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot, dear, joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Thank you everyone. Thanks a lot dear joining my live stream. Xlist Part 2 for USDT newcomer pool stake to win a 100 USDT posting voucher. User who participate in the USDT newcomer pool and maintain a commitment staking directions of the new less than 48 hours with an range affiliative stake amount of our last 100 USDT will be able to receive a 100 redemptions during the continuous staking period, limited to 3.000 spots on a first come first served basis. Welcome, Ayla Shanex. Thank you so much, dear, joining my live stream. Project information. Alttown is a next generation's Web3 platform for the value growth of virtual collaborators. It improves controls fans and brands by integrating blockchain technology for digital ownership and data driven engagement. The protocol aims to establish a sustainable and transferred fan economy, enable fair participation, governance, and value sharing across the internet ecosystem. Official website Get Labs investment disclosure. Get Labs did not invest in Altown Town. Notes. Thank you everyone. Thanks a lot dear joining my live stream. Please like share my live stream. Thank you so much, my friend. Thanks a lot, dear, joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Notes point one Get Launchpool is an innovative staking airdrop platform where user can earn early airdrops of trading and natively listed tokens by staking GT and BTC, ETH, USDT, or other tokens. With low entry barriers and high APR, it's an easy way to capture market operations. Point 2 USDT newcomer pool exclusive rewards will be distributed a postation voucher. Enable user will receive the airdrop with 14 working days after meeting the requirement. Potential redemption are allowed meeting the requirement will not affect reward distribution. Point 3 Please complete identity verification before participate in launch pool. Launch pool to ensure the security. Potential redemptions are allowed during the staking period, but full redemptions will rest conserve staking durations remaining after meeting the requirements will not affect reward distribution. Point 3. Please complete identity verification before participating in launch for in to enhance the security of your account and assets. Point 4. Please follow the relevant rules of the event when participating and initiating behaviors is prohibited which will result in notifications of the rewards. Point 5. In case of directions between the translate and to original English versions, the English version shall prevail. Point 6. Get receives a right to the final explanation. Point 7. This event is not affected with alpha INS. Point 8. User in the Unlimited Kingdom and after restricted location account across the service including the participation in this event game or competitions, see the user agreement for the further details of rejected location. Risk warning: as blockchain stops skill still in the early stage, the project might involve scientific risk innovation assets, including a patient's underlying technology and the legal and regulatory environment. Point 2. Understanding blockchain starts and assessing that interment risk required advanced technical and final knowledge. Point 3. Do the influences from technology regulatory framework, market condition and other factors the project you participate in. My experience side effect price volatility with prices potentially risk of finally supply. Point 4. Due to the issues related to the underlying technology of the project or the get retrain platform, you may be unable to the withdrawal allow the part of the assets from the project. Point 5. Cryptocurrency projects are high risk by nature and cryptocurrency braces the high voltage to the project stream that does provide any from the price commitment the downside protection. Please ensure the fully understand the risk and are capable of being them before participating. Will the platform strongly varies the potential risk and cannot assume liability for the investment because or provide any grants or compensations. Thank you so much, my friend. Thanks a lot joining my live stream. Get team 25 August 2025. Gateway to crypto trader our 3.500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Get. Take action new, sign up and claim up to 10.000 in welcome rewards. Invite friends and earn a 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Get's official website, download the Get app desktop, follow us on X Twitter to get more bonuses. Join the Telegram community to discuss trading topics. It's the our global community for the large engagements, transparency and security. Check our 100 proof of reserves. Thank you everyone. Thanks a lot dear joining my live stream. Please like share my live stream. Town. Town is a next generation's Web3 platform for the value growth of visual calibration. It empowers characters, fans, and brands by integrating blockchain technology for digital ownership and data-driven free engagements. The protocol aims to establish a sustainable and transparent for economy, enabling fair participation, governance, and value sharing across the internet ecosystem. Total rewards 2.727.273 town. Start time 2025 826. End time 2025 92. Pool USDT town. Total staking rewards 1.800.000 town. Meaning period 7 days. Total staking 1.389.401 2.12 15 USDT. Participants 1.213. Prize pool Hurley cap 10.714.28 town. Individual Hurley reward cap 2.678.57 town. APR 53.75%. Individual staking cap 2.000 USDT. Thank you everyone. Thanks a lot dear joining my live stream. Please like share my live stream. Thank you so much, Ayla Shinex. Thanks, dear. Town. Town is a visual celebrity value growth platform. Town is a service that allows users to trade the value of virtual characters expressed in digital assets. The value of characters is based on their connector and fandom. Thanks a lot, friends, joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Visual celebrities such as VTubers, visual influences, and visual ideas who join L Town will issue a digital assets called DNA, symbolizing their value. User including fans and Web3 sporters can buy the DNA of their favorite virtual celebrity, anticipating an increase in value are enjoying the cannot provided by the celebrities. The price of these digital assets is determined by user to user transactions supported by on-chain based order book trading. Thank you everyone. Thanks a lot dear joining my live stream. Please like share my live stream. Virtual trade plus Web3 teach. The internet industry has entered the area of visual influences, the immigrants, the growth of VTubers in the character market in is investable trade. We have implement blockchain technology to utilize more actively and the expand more directly VTubers IP and connect content. The future of trading IP, the cannot content industry has mod sign effect programs progress based on web 2.0 platform, but these platforms have monopolized the force of cases we sports characters is occasionally producing high quality cannot content can consider way to share that value with the public. Thank you everyone. Thanks a lot joining my live stream. Please like share my live stream. Thanks a lot Eyelash Annex. Thank you so much my dear friend. A new relationship between clips and fandom. We focus on framing new relationship between celebrities and fans, moving away from the previous on one-way communications. Fans can participate in reactions making, reading celebrity activities based on the digital asset they have to in that they can create secondary work using the celebrity IP experience the new web3 culture with global virtual celebrity. Thank you so much my friends. Thank you everyone joining my live stream. ALT virtual celebrity with ALT Town. A virtual celebrity printed with Alt Town is a clan ALT refer to the to an alter ego. Through the partnership with Alt Town, Alt will provide IP using right and earn a quotation of their recognized value which they can maintain or share with their sport. Alt service as the core of the Alt Town ecosystem we will be according more alts to join as the future. Thank you so much my friends joining my live stream. Please like share my live stream. Thank you admin. DNA dynamic nature of application is a fabric token that symbolizes on alt value the and the most important element of ALT town as the service as both are recommended on chain DNA created a spending world with ALT town and cannot be transferred between user or mode outside of ALT town. DNA is constructed into event by ALT ecosystem community and pre-sale according of for 30%, 40%, 20% and 10% of the total supply represently 100.0000 of the DNA will be distributed through the rounds of pre-sales. Once the pre-sale ends on a chain-based order book trading basis, allowing user to freely buy and sell DNA among team slaves. After the pre-sale ends, 90% of the slaves review will be allocated to the all couch a post-sale settlement. For detailed information about the pre-sale and order book trading, please visit the town page. When the contract between ELT and L-Town termines, DNA trading will cease and any held DNA will be excited operations public, including the questions of DNA trading adhere to the terms and service with the L-Town platform. DNA structure each alt in L-Town is issued on a million DNA representing their value. This DNA can be bought and sold through pre-sale and order book trading each alt issue to its own DNA and the value allocations and look-up release period of DNA apply equally to all else. The DNA allocation is organized as follows: 30% alt oven, 10 pre-sale, 20% community, 40% ecosystem. Point 1. L-Town. L-Town Alt hold 30% of the total DNA supply, which accounts of 300.00. This account it especially locked up but will the globally unlock at the rate of 1% per month over the total of 30 months or from the start date for trading arts can distribute their DNA to fans without airdrops or sell it in town. Point 2. Pre-sale. During the pre-sale period, 100.000 DNA, which is 10% of the total DNA supply, will be converted. The pre-sale is divided into their rounds and will last for the total of 7 days. During the period, user can only buy DNA and cannot sell it. 90% of the total pre-sale review will be allocated to the representative alt. After the pre-sale ends on chain-based order book, trading will begin. Any remaining unsold amount during the pre-sale will be locked up for 1 year and then gradually unlocked at the rate of 2.5 per month, 1.25 each for the alt and the service. The supply allocated to the service will be utilized as event supply for their representative ALT. Point 3. Ecosystem. 40% the total DNA supply the received as the asset for the ecosystem, which can be utilized as the governance taken on year after the launch of the L-Town service. Voting will be connected among holders of Alt's DNA and governance token. Town based on the consensus result, the timing and quality of ecosystem DNA using will be determined until the voting feature the added. The ecosystem supply will remain locked up. However, 1% 110.00 is used to provide Intel liquidity without lockup. Point 4. Community DNA for the community automating to 100.000, which is 20 of the total supply in utilized for various processes such as events and airdrops in quotations, which the service represent alt the increase the random DNA period of the sign up events except for Intel 2% allocated the community use. The remaining 18% will be allocated at the rate of 1% every 6 months. Point 5. Event. The event supply consists of unsold DNA from the pre-sale period and the used for events related to the representative alt. However, depending to the outcome of the pre-sale and amount may not exceed. Welcome, my friend. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Thanks a lot, dear. Town trading. In town, you can trade the DNA of its town and have trained in L town trade. The are town methods for trading pre-sale and the chain-based order book trading during the pre-sale period. A fixed pre-sale method thus applied allowing user by DNA DNA at the fixed price after the pre-sale ends. Trading will be switched to on-chain order book trading where buy and sell orders can be freely executed once a trade in exceed the representing amount of DNA is transferred from the seller wallet to the buyer wallet and transaction details are transparent variables are can 70% of the total revenue from the pre-sale will be allocated the representative alt, which is an important factor in supporting their activity and monetization. Additionally, 10% of the total transaction fee from DNA trades after the pre-sale will be allocated to the virtual celebrity cultural events and supporting the virtual celebrity engagement. Thank you so much, my friends, joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Pre-sale. Alt is Alt Town sell 10% of their DNA supply during the pre-sale period. 70% of the total sale received from the pre-sale will be allocated to the representative alt. The pre-sale is the fixed price sale, meaning only viewing available during the period and selling is not allowed. The sale period is 7 days from the date from move in with a total of 3 rounds. The first round lasts for 48 hours. The second round lasts for 48 hours, and the third round lasts for 72 hours. The sale price is based on a base price. The second round effectively a 30% discount, and the third round selling at the base price. If the quality for the round is sold out after the round of purchasing will not be available until the next round begins. If there are unsolved questions during the round that will not be contracted over to the next round inserts after the pre-sale ends. These unsolved questions from each round will be combined and moved the ecosystem wallet. Unsolved questions moved to the ecosystem wallet will be locked up for 1 year, after which they will be allocated at the rate of 12.5% per month, 1.25% each for alt and the service. The amount allocated to the service will be utilized as event supply from the for the expressive alt. Thank you so much, my friend. Thanks a lot, dear, joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. On-chain based trading. Once the pre-sale period ends, you can continue trading on the order book. Thank you so much, my friend. Thanks a lot, dear, joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Order book trading is excited about the matching of buy the and sell orders allowing user to sell the DNA they have pushed or buy new questions. The order methods period by L-Town are as follows. Limited order. Point 1. A limited limit order is a type of order submitted by a user who initially enters the price and quality of DNA they wish to buy or sell. Point 2. This order type is used when price is partially ensuring that the order will not be extracted at the price higher than the specified buy price or lower than the specified sell price. If a sell order are placed at price lower than the current market price or a buy order is placed at the price higher than the current market price, it will be excited at the market price. Even if your specified price is recent, limited orders may not be excited due to the order method equations machines pre-time partially. Market order. Market order point one. A market order is an order submit without specifically a price. Point two. This order method is used when you want to extract a trade quickly by setting only the order amount for the buy order or the trade quality of the sell order. The trade will be excited essentially at the market price. Buy order. If user sent only order amount, it will buy it immediately. Excited at the last price among the current ask prices. Sell order. If user set only the order quality, if it will be additionally excited at the highest price among the current bid prices. When a market order is placed, it will be excited secretly starting from most favorable price post bid ask. Thank you so much, my friend. Thanks a lot, dear, joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot. Official website, which is Celebrity Value Growth Platform. Which is Celebrity Value Growth Platform. L-Town is a world's first platform for trading the value of tokenized virtual celebrities. About virtual celebrities such as VTubers, virtual infections, and virtual idols who join L-Town issue a digital assets called DNA, which are tokens. Their value user can buy the DNA of their favorite virtual celebrities to support the value growth. Sivu is the hottest virtual celebrity in the world. You can check detailed information about virtual celebrities and buy or sell DNA on the market. Trade the value of global virtual celebrities equals detailed information about virtual celebrity and trade DNA thoughts or order book. Your assets are stored transparently and securely. The transaction details are transparently recorded on chain and assets can be safely monitored with the wallet. Thank you, Elisha. Next, welcome my live stream. Community Sports, Binance Labs, MVB8, the most valuable Boulder Allocator Program, AUDIT Partners, BNA Chain, BNB Chain, Plums, VPN, Binance, GetTi, BitGet, the one and only platform for virtual celebrities. The area of virtual celebrity has evolved. The rise and growth of virtual celebrity is the contour. Creator market is an unstable trade. We and the sports virtual celebrities is exciting their business model thoughts their IP and content. User can see in real time who the hottest virtual celebrity in the world are. The future of trading IP, the contact industry has more scientific programs, Thought Web 2.0 platform. However, deposit this growth creators are struggling to sustain their activities due to the unstable economies. We aim to build a sustainable ecosystem where characters can continue to grow as their fans. Thank you so much, my friend. Thanks a lot, dear, joining my live stream. Our new relationship between Clippers and Freedom. We foster building a relationship between celebrities and fans. Instead of traditional on-way communications, fans can now participate in the decisions making related to the celebrity activities through the digital assets they own the great derivative warning using the celebrities IP. ALTLT is at the core of the L-Town ecosystem. Anyone in the virtual world can join ALT Town Air. You're ready to join us now. What is ALT? ALT refers the virtual celebrities such as YouTubers, total streamers, virtual IDs, virtual human who are activities where receives. Thank you so much, my friend. Thanks a lot, dear, joining my live stream. Thank you so much, my friend. Thanks a lot, dear, joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Thank you so much, my friend. Thanks a lot, dear. Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot. Intel listing get to listing at Town Spot Trading and Launch Candy Drop 72 and Get will launch spot trading from ALT Town and 26 August 2025 at 9 UTC and interrupt the candy drop second 72 and the airdrops event candy drops and get candy airdrops platform where user can earn candies by completing tasks and participating in tokens airdrop in this round. The total of 3.636.364 town will be distributed. All town spot trading start time August 26 August 2025 9 UTC. Town deposit link, town trading link, town contract address. Candy drop event period 26 August 2025 September 3.2025 9 UTC. Total reward pool 3.636.340 town. Maximum per user 5.000 town. Point 1. New user trading price pool. Newcomer user who join get and have transport trading value by plus sell 500 USDT will earn candies and share the 1.212.121 town pool max 3 candies per user with a cap of 1.00 town. The reward rule and S. Thank you so much, my friend. Thanks a lot joining my live stream. Town trading volume 500 USDT in one candy. Town trading volume 1.00 USDT two candies. New user definitions user who registers during the event period. Point two spot trading pool rules user with a cumulative town spot trading volume by plus sell 0.000 2.0000 USDT can share a price pool of 2.424.243 town based on the town spot trading volume with a cap of 4.00 town. The more you trade, the more rewards you earn. Project information. Altown is next Goversion's Web3 platform for the volume growth of virtual celebrities. It empowers creators, fans, and brands by integrating blockchain technology for digital ownership and data-driven fan engagement. The protocol aims to establish a sustainable and transparent fan economy, enabling fan participation, governance, and value staking across the internet ecosystem. Token Town official website not point one. Participate must click the join button on the event page after successfully joining the event. Complete the event task and identity verification to receive the rewards. Point 2 rewards will be distributed with 14 business days after the event concludes. Point 3 bulk registrations of multiple accounts, molecules, volume manipulation, was trading, self-dealing. The other trading behaves aesthetically process multiple accounts verified under the same user identity will be considered sign-up accounts. Sub accounts are not enabled to the participation Point 4. Market makers, business annotations are not enabled for this event's affiliate accounts cannot join referrals activities but can participate in all other events without restrictions. Point 5. Only fully excited order that are connected for activity where partially activities with the order are not connected. Point 6. In case of the durations between translate visions and the English vision the shall prevail. Point 7. Get receive the final right of transactions for this event. Point 8. User from directed return will be enabled to the use of part of the service including participation in this event game or accounts. For detailed information regarding registered return, please refer to the user agreement. Point 9. This warning a user must bear in mind cryptocurrency trade that affected by multiple factors such as market dynamic and regulatory policies, market prices, a high voltage and unpredictable. Please pay attention to market risk and trade cautiously. Get team 25 August 2025 get to crypto trade over 3.500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly and easily on Get. Take action now, sign up and claim up to 10.000 in welcome rewards, invite friends and earn by 40 commission. Stay connected. Visit Get official website, download the Get app and desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more basis. Join the Telegram community to discuss trading peaks. Is with the global community for the last recent transparency and security. Check our 100% proof the research. Thank you so much, my friend. Thanks a lot, dear, joining my live stream. Down USDT 0.000658 change 0.0000600.671 minus 8.81%. 24 high 0.0008,173. 24 high low 0.0006509. 24 horse 24 volume down 72 74.20 million. 24 turnover USDT 534.21 K. Thank you so much, my friend. Thanks a lot joining my live stream. Thank you so much, my friends, joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Town L Town is a next generation's Web3 platform for the holy growth of visual celebrities. It empowers creators, fans, and brands by increasing selection technology for digital ownership and data rates of engagement. 3,636.364 total prize pool, 14,662 participants. Complete task to share 3,636.364 town price pool user new user trading pool 101.00 town 1.212.121 town total tokens 1.000 town individual share limit complete task and share price pool tier 1 town new user spot trading task 500 USDT. Tier 2 town new user spot trading task 1.00 USDT. Claim up to 1.00 town rewards will be distributed on 2025 9/23. The actual arrival time shall prevail. Activity rules: new user web join get and each cumulative town spot trading volume by plus 500 USDT will receive candy rewards each hour user and receive to the 3 candy share 1.212.121 town price pool. Point 2 spot trading volume buy volume plus sell volume. Spot trading to share 2.424.243 town 4.000 town individual share limit. Town spot trading task allocated town spot trading volume 2.00 USDT to share the total price pool. Claim up to 4.000 town rewards will be distributed on 2025 9/23 14.000. The actual arrival time shall prevail. Activity rules during the event user achieves 2.00 USDT in town spot trading volume. Son of a patient clause patients can share a price pool of 2.424 2.43 town based on spot trading volume. The more you trade, the greater your rewards. Question number 1. What are the requirements to participate in Candy Drop? Users participating in Candy Drop are required to complete identity verification and click the join button on the event page. Only after successfully joining their activity data be connected. Market makers, interpairs, or agents are not enabled to the participate in this event. Question number 2. When will candies be distributed after completing task? Candy will be distributed with 1 minus 3 hours after user complete task. Please log in and check the candies obtained from the candy drop after 3 hours. Point 3. Question number 3. What is the price pool of sharing and where are there on candy rewards? Price pool sharing means that users who reach the activity threshold their transactions volume or range amount during the event can share the total rewards pool proportionally. Therefore, there are no candy rewards. Thank you so much, my friend. Thanks a lot, dear, joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Question number 4. What is the new user access pool? The new user access pool is a price pool set up the user design during the commission only user who registers with the completing period the participate if the is required complete trading volume during the campaign with they will complete the task and receive the reward. Thank you so much, my friends. Thanks a lot, dear, joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Thanks a lot, my dear friend. Visual Celebrity Value Growth Platform. L-Town is the world's best platform for trading the value of tokenized virtual celebrities. About visual celebrities such as YouTubers, creators, virtual idols, you join L-Town as you are digital assets called DNA with the tokenization. Their value user can buy the DNA of their favorite virtual celebrities, the sport of value growth. See who is the hostess virtual celebrity in the world. You can check the detailed information about the virtual celebrities and buy or sell DNA on the market. Trade the virtual of global virtual celebrities across digital information about virtual celebrities and trade DNA thousand or other book. User assets are stored especially and securely. Our transaction details are transparently recorded and chain assets can be safely maintained and the wallet. Thank you everyone. Thanks a lot dear joining my live stream. Please like share my live stream. Thank you so much my friend. Thanks a lot dear joining my live stream. Please like share my live stream. Kindly drop complete task to claim airdrops 45.44k total participant 110.3k total airdrop USDT. Launch pool quick staking earn potential new tokens 95.07 M cumulative airdrops 482.36k ACB total rewards 39 B forms receipt 6 M plus holder airdrop. Holder airdrop holder GT and get sales airdrops for free. Zero airdrops received 296.39 million cumulative airdrops 11 M plus participant 228 285 project launched. Launchpad buy early to the next big tokens project 1.3076 B amount 74.86k participant 3 project. Thank you so much my friend. Thanks a lot dear joining my live stream. Please like share my live stream. Thank you so much my friends. Thank you so much my friends. Thank you so much my friend. Thanks a lot dear joining my live stream. Please mm, please like share my live stream. Clip USDT. About launch pool question number. Thank you so much my ओके फ्रेंड्स अब मुझे इजाज़त दे दीजिए कल न्यू किसी टॉपिक पे बात होगी थैंक यू सो मच ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम टेक केयर अपना ख्याल रखिएगा दुआओं में याद रखिएगा ओके अल्लाह हाफिज़ बाय बाय